Oh, let's make some money. Let me see. 5 more minutes until I can pick this one up. Let's see how many people over here in curbside. See how many shoppers out today. See how many shoppers we got over here. I know them scammers up here, boy. They stay up here. There they go right there. Let's see how many shoppers is up here. I don't see none right now. They must be on lunch break. Maybe they already got a shopper notice for this hour. It's all good though. I got me a curbside. Can't check in till 2:50 for it though, but it's all good though. What up, what up, what up, what up? What y'all got going on today? Y'all out there working? Y'all taking a day off? It's hump day. What's the word? Let me know something. Tap in. East Bay B Entertainment. Doordash there for you today? Yeah. But check this out though. It's 2:46 right now. They coming off the lunch hour. It might be at a point where it's getting ready to die off and then pick back up, heading into the dinner shift. So keep your eye on that map and see what's going on. It may work out for you. But if not, switch gears. Open up your other apps. Because a lot of times if you use all the food delivery apps at the same time, you make a better hourly rate anyways. And then maybe when things get a little bit busier later on this evening, you can prioritize one of those apps, whichever one feeding you the best orders. That's what I would do. What up, Superman? What up, Miguel? I remember it all too well. Well, guess what? I remember it too. Francisco, what up, Quill? You already know. So I'm sitting here. Got me a curbside order. $30, 2 miles. Don't get no better than that. I said, yes, sir. I already did 2 shopping orders. First order of the day was, let's see, let's go ahead and have a look. Yeah. Didn't get a screenshot for the first order. First order came in at like $13.58. Shopping pay, it was odd. It was only like a $2 tip on there. But it was 6 items. Knocked that out real quick. Soon as I dropped it off, got an ASAP order. $20. Now I did get a screenshot of that one. $20.01. $20.01. How many miles? 4.6 miles all day long. 17 items on that one. Again, it was super easy. Got it done in like 5 minutes. I'm the fastest shopper out here. Now, once I dropped that one off, again, before I even made it back to Walmart, they hit me with an order. But this time it came through. See, no, look, that one was an ASAP, but it actually had a timer. Most of the time when you get an ASAP, it won't have no timer. That one had a timer. So I said, you know what, I got to take that because it's miles to money ratio good, item count good. It got a timer. It's going to increase my acceptance rate. That's what you want to do. And to all my Walmart Spark drivers out there, I get this question a lot. How do you raise your acceptance rate on Walmart Spark? Which orders affect your acceptance rate and which ones do not? Well, guess what? I'm going to break the secret right here for you. If you have an order and it has a timer on it, like this one, a countdown, that means you have a round robin offer. And those offers only are the ones that affect your acceptance rate. So I always try to tell folks, if you're getting shopping pays and good ass curbside pickups, you want to try your best to take those if they got a timer attached to them. That way you can increase your acceptance rate. Let's go ahead and check in. Now I got 1 more minute. And acceptance rate don't make or break if you make money on Spark, but it will. It actually don't even matter at all. It really don't matter at all. But in terms of if you want to get orders consistently through the day, if you accept your first or your second round robin, it increases your chances of getting orders throughout the day. Somebody gave me a 1-star yesterday, so now I'm at a 4.7. I would